Today is very special day for us. We are going to present our annual function with the theme Ganga Afternoon. Jesus, water, life and blessings. In our show today, we will tell you the great story of how Gangaji came down from heaven to earth with the help of King Bhagirath and Lord Shiva. There will be many beautiful dances, songs and stories how Ganga cleaned the earth and gave hope to people. So get ready to enjoy this wonderful journey of Ganga Avatar. We practice with great excitement and joy. We hope you all enjoy the function and give blessing us with your claps and smiles. Once again, I welcome you all from bottom of my heart. You can expect an amazing function ahead. Thank you.
I want a huge round of applause for the full of devotion. We welcome you all to the divine celebration of Ganga Avatar, an artistic journey into the sacred descent of Ma Ganga. To commence this pious occasion, we now invite our esteemed guests to light the ceremonial lamp of knowledge, purity and auspicious beginnings, a tradition that dispels darkness and brings in the light of wisdom and positivity. I request our Honorable Director Ma'am, respected Principal Sir, Sanjeev Sir, our guest of honor, Archana Ma'am, Sathwik, Rudransh, all the worthy benevolent members to please come forward for the light.
पहले को लिख रहा यार।
प्रणाम माता, तुम्हारी तपस्या सफल हुई। बताओ तुम्हारी क्या इच्छा है?
माता, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप स्वर्ग लोक से धरती लोक पर आए ताकि मेरे वंशों के पाप धुल सके।
यह आसान काम नहीं है। मेरा बहाव बहुत तेज है, पृथ्वी मुझे संभाल नहीं पाएगी। इसके लिए तुम्हें भगवान शिव की सहायता लेनी पड़ेगी।
जैसा आपका आदेश।
जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े नाम ने गुरु की भक्ति में मिलके सारे आज बोले हर हर महादेव महाकाल बम बोले बम बोले बम बोले बम बोले बम बम बोले बम बम बोले बम 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 बोले
We are
की धारा कैसे मैं देखूं संतान स्वागत का तुझे ही चूम कर जाना मैं तुझे तेरा वो सम्मान दूं
गंगा माता के धरती पर आने से सभी लोग खुश हैं। गंगा माता का जल सबको खुशी और शांति देगा। गंगा नदी हमारी धरोहर है, लेकिन अब यह प्रदूषण से घिर गई है। हमें इसे साफ रखने की जरूरत है। हम सब मिलकर गंगा नदी को बचाने का वादा करेंगे और इसे स्वच्छ बनाएंगे। आइए हम गंगा नदी की रक्षा करें और इसे आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए सुरक्षित रखें।
All the students, please sit at your places. Accept the vote of thanks, students. Start with it.
Very happy morning to one and all present here. Today I feel very proud and happy to stand here and say vote of thanks on behalf of all grade 3 milestones. Today our annual function is based story of Ganga Avatar. How Ganga Mata came from sky to earth because of the prayers of Rishi Muni
Honorable Principal Sir to say a few words for us. Dear parents, I will make the departure turn according to announcements. So please cooperate with us after sir's speech for 5 to 10 minutes. This is my humble request.
Hello. Happy morning, everyone, and all respected director ma'am, invited guest Mrs. Sanjeev Sharma, director, SS Falchurdan School C1, management members, and dear parents, of course, my wonderful kids. This function is not just a presentation or a performance. You must have seen, we all have witnessed. It's a beautiful story, a meaningful story. The significance of Ganga for our Indian culture and the significance, how it is significant to environment today. So these are the things I think we all should deal with students. Till the time we will not make them experience these things, they will never come to know what is happening. And this is the best way to keep them connected with our roots, Indian roots, and definitely our responsibility towards the environment. So I think they all deserve a huge round of applause from your side. And I would really appreciate if you all will stand at your places for my kids. Please stand at your places and huge round of applause for my students. They have done wonders. And with this short span of time and amazing performance, please take your seats, everyone. Behind the scene, I just want to take opportunity to thank all the team members one by one. Please have patience. They have been working for our students, for our kids, day and night since last month. So first of all, the director of the program, Mrs. Suraj and Asif, please be here on the stage. I want a huge round of applause. Please come here. Come in front of the stage. Huge round of applause for them. I could see them late night, 10 o'clock, they were painting all these sets. It is made by them only. Our art and craft team is with this art and craft team. So Krista ma'am,
Shraddha ma'am and Krishna ma'am, please be on the stage.
please be here because for last more than 20 days they have been preparing all these props you are seeing. And then I would like to appreciate our music team, Mr. Rajesh, and you must have witnessed melodious singers. Please clap for them. At this age, में ऐसी singing करना, it is not a cup of tea, but clapping के लिए भी होना चाहिए. Then I would like to appreciate
Dance.
dance teachers. Sharma madam is there to remind me. Choreographers, Mr. Akash and Mr. Mehdi, please be here. Clap for both of them also. I still remember when the story was created, theme was decided in my office. We had 3-4 meetings together. आप सबको फंक्शन अच्छा लगा होगा. देखिए, we are not dealing with the professionals. We are dealing with very small kids. Hardly 8 साल के बच्चे हैं जिनसे हमने ये सब we have made them experience. तो beautifully it is done. Perfection नहीं हम कभी भी ढूंढते, but yes, opportunity matters a lot. आपका बच्चा स्टेज पे आया, वो कितना perfect था that doesn't matter to me at least, और आपको भी नहीं होना चाहिए. But yes, he performed today. He has made your day and my day also. So once again, clap for all these kids. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, sir. Grade 3 teachers.
Grade 3 all teachers, extremely sorry. That grade
Megha
3
ma'am,
teachers,
Rekha ma'am, Shivani ma'am and Kirti ma'am.
all 4 grade 3 teachers, class in charges, please be here. Extremely sorry. This is the entire team. Even we try hard कि जब बच्चे waiting में हो, how to keep them engaged with some games. I don't know what have they done, but they have been successful for making it possible. So once again, thank you to all the management members for being here, and big hand for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. For
little right eye. Yes, yeah, look here, look here. Firal.